How to combine documents in one PDF. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the best way. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me start with the video. Okay guys, so I am here in my browser. So we are going to use online source. So just open your any browser and come to the any search engine and search for PDF editor. So you can see there is many come ups result here. So I personally use this one. Okay, so just open it. You can see. Okay, now we need to go in upload files and go the location in your device where you have your PDFs files. So in my case I have multiple files here, so I just select three files, one two three. Okay, one sec. Okay, after you come here we need to go in this option merge. Now go to the upload, select your PDF files. You need to just hit the control key of your keyboards, hit the control, hold it, and now you can select the multiple files like this. So I have select the 4 here and just go to the open. Now you can see my 4 files here. You can see, you can you can see the all page view or first file view. This is my all page. In every PDF I have 2 page. Okay, now you can change the number of order numbers by this. You need to just click on it, hold it, and just drag the your file pages like this. So after you done your all changes, just go to the merge PDF. So it will be takes few seconds. Now it's ready. Now just go to the download. Now your new PDF has been downloaded and you can see all file has been merged. So that is how you can merge. I hope you like this video. So that is how you can combine the files in one PDF. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.